Development and evolution of the aortic arches. During week 4, as the pharyngeal arches develop, the corresponding aortic arches also form. The aortic arches arise from the aortic sac, course dorsally through the pharyngeal arches, and connect with the dorsal aortae. 6 pairs of aortic arches develop sequentially. During week 6, the aortic arches begin a series of transformations. The first and second pairs of aortic arches appear earliest, but quickly degenerate and disappear. However, the cranial portions of the dorsal aortae to which they connect persist. Subsequently, the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth pairs of aortic arches appear in succession. The fifth pair develops incompletely and soon disappears. Each third aortic arch gives rise to a branch that will form the external carotid artery. This branch divides the third arch into proximal and distal segments. The proximal segment forms the common carotid artery, while the distal segment and its connecting dorsal aorta become the internal carotid artery. The left and right fourth aortic arches undergo different transformations. The left fourth arch and the left half of the aortic sac form the aortic arch. The proximal portion of the right fourth arch and the right half of the aortic sac form the brachiocephalic trunk, while the remaining portion, along with the caudal right dorsal aorta and the right seventh intersegmental artery, together form the right subclavian artery. At this point, the segment of dorsal aorta between the third and fourth arches on both sides disappears. For the sixth pair of aortic arches, each gives rise to a pulmonary artery branch to the lung bud. The left sixth arch connects to the left dorsal aorta, or aortic arch, and this segment becomes the ductus arteriosus. The right sixth aortic arch degenerates and disappears. Between weeks 6 and 8, the aortic arches gradually evolve into the adult arterial configuration.